Hi everybody, welcome back to Thursday with Scamper. Today we're not going to be running all over campus like the other day. We're going to stay here at our nature center. And look what I have. Here's the treats that Gail in the kitchen made for my friends and family. I hope she's watching. Hi Gail, thank you. I'm going to spread these around for my friends just like an Easter egg hunt. And I'm going to hang couple in the trees for my bird friends, and the rest are going to be for my squirrels. So you can watch me do this. We have 2 in the trees for the bird. I'm going to lay the rest up here in the porch, and maybe some of my squirrel friends will come while we're sitting. For a little bit, I have a photo album to show you of all my family and friends. You'll love it. Come on in. So here we are. Here's my photo album. It's entitled The Nut House. And you'll see why as we look through it. So these are all friends and family. And I'll tell you who we're looking at as we look at them. This is my brother Arnold. You won't see him outside. He moved to California to be the governor. But before he left, he said, "I'll be back." They tell me to get in shape. Round is a shape. Oh, that's my big mouth cousin, Rosie. Oh, she always has something to say. That was Rosie. And this is her sister, Nosy. She's always got her ears perked and ready to listen to gossip. I don't know who's more annoying, Rosie or Nosy. Oh, there's my son, Billy Madison, going back to school. Now, you want to talk about fun. Here are my 3 nephews, Luke, Kylo, and Chewie. These guys and their lightsabers. Oh, this is my Uncle Jack Sparrow. He's a pretty cool dude. Lives in the Caribbean, and he's a pirate. Oh, good old Uncle Sam, a true patriot. Isn't she pretty? This is Daisy Duke. Hubba hubba. Oh, this is another one of my uncles. This is my Uncle Heath. He's a legend in England. God rest his soul. This is the neighbor's kid, Dennis. He's a real menace. He lives between our nest and good old Mr. Wilson's. Oh, this is my cousin on my mom's side, the Copperfields, David. He is the greatest at magic tricks. Oh, and here's Granny down in South Florida with all the retirees. This is my sister, Patience. She's just sitting there waiting for the birds to get away from her bird feeder. She's always eating. My older brother, Clark Kent. He's an amazing guy. He's a flying squirrel. And he's always ready to lend a helping hand. Okay. Oh, this is my doctor, Dr. Evil. He's was always plotting to make $1 million. And here's my dentist. Be careful. She'll tell you to open wide and steal your very last peanut right from your pouch. This is another cousin, Davy Crockett. You know that story. Killed a bear when he was 3. Here's my niece Sophia in her Easy Breezy Beautiful Color Squirrel commercial. She was always the family beauty, especially with makeup. Oh, Aunt Gloria singing her famous "I Will Survive" hit single. One good thing came out of that divorce, lyrics for a song. And here, my final picture for today is a friend you all know. His name is Woody. He comes to camp all the time and he sings silly songs about boogers. Well, that was my nutty family. Guess you know why I call us a bunch of nuts, huh? I hope you enjoyed your time with us. Now, you see why I'm a little nuts. Always remember, you have friends here at Camp Victory. I'm going to sit and watch and see if any of my friends and family come and eat the treats we laid out. Take care, have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Little song while we watch our squirrel friends. All right, here, ready? Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail. Put a nut between your toes, wrinkle up your little nose. Gray squirrel, swish your bushy tail.